Happening today, a hearing on the ban of technology that can digitally take your clothes off in videos.
Let's get you over to the live desk. That's where our Barrett Leone is, because Elon Musk now facing off with the state of Minnesota over this new state law.
Yeah, he is. And in a hearing later this morning, Elon Musk's company, xAI, is suing Minnesota over a new law banning AI nudification. And it's turning into a fight over how far Minnesota can go to regulate AI-generated images and whether this new law crosses the line into protected speech. AI nudification is when AI-powered apps create fake sexualized images of real people, including images made without that person's consent. xAI, Elon's company, argues the law is too broad and violates the First Amendment. The company also says the law could cover images that are consensual or have artistic, scientific, educational, and other protected purposes. xAI first asked a judge to block the law before it took effect August 1st, but the judge denied that request, saying the company waited too long to bring the case. We heard from lawmakers last month after Musk filed the suit.
I cannot believe we are having this conversation, and the audacity to come to Minnesota, that is the first but not the last state to protect children and the people within this state, the same day you have multiple people across the world suing you for the harm that you're causing, is pretty audacious.
According to the civil complaint, xAI says it does not contest Minnesota's interest in prohibiting the dissemination of artificially generated nude images of real people without their consent, but the law extends far beyond that goal. Now, again, today's hearing is about whether the judge should temporarily stop Minnesota from enforcing the law while the larger legal challenge moves through court. We also expect to hear from Senator Quaid right after that hearing wraps up.
All right, well, we'll continue to follow. Barrett, thank you. So Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company is now suing the state of Minnesota. This is over a first-of-its-kind law that bans apps and websites that create fake sexualized pictures of you, claiming it violates the First Amendment. But today is that first hurdle in the fight to keep this law.
Let's get you over to the live desk this morning. Barrett Leone joins us now ahead of the first hearing and what we can expect today. Barrett, break this down for us.
Yeah, well, we've been following this case since the start here. Elon Musk's company, xAI, wants to stop Minnesota from enforcing the law while the legal battle plays out. And that's what this morning's hearing will focus on. It all comes back to Minnesota's new law banning AI nudification. That's when AI-powered apps create fake sexualized images of people. xAI claims the law is too broad and violates free speech. The company tried to stop the law from taking effect on August 1st, but a judge denied that. We heard from lawmakers behind the bill shortly after this lawsuit came out last month.
Children need us to stand up to this and to do something about it. And for too long, we have been afraid to talk about it or uncomfortable to talk about it. Why does the richest man in the world want to protect a feature that makes children naked?
So that hearing we mentioned, it's slated to start at 9:30 this morning. DFL Senator Erin McQuaid, who also helped make this ban happen, tells us that she'll attend this hearing and plans to answer any questions following. Of course, our crew will be there too and bring you the very latest here on WCCO.
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens this morning. Barrett, we appreciate that update. Thank you.